Let's have a look at a new Kellofaplan Amazon exclusive item. Hi everyone, this is Angie. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here today, I welcome you and I hope you'll stick around. If you're a returning subscriber or viewer, welcome back. I'm so happy to have you here. In today's video, we're going to have a look at a new item that is exclusive to the Kellofaplan Amazon store. So if you guys are familiar with Kellofaplan, you know that she does have, of course, her website, but now she is also launching into Amazon with Amazon exclusive products. And this particular product is going to be her A5 work planner. So let's go ahead and open this up and have a look at it. On the back, it does say new Kellofaplan work planner, undated 12 month. It says black professional organizer, 90-pound paper, pink. So this is going to be the pink item. So your item will ship in this box here. I'm sure it will be tucked into another Amazon box as well, just for safekeeping. This box feels very nice. I don't normally get hung up on the way a box feels, but this feels kind of like the boxes that your Apple products come in. So let's get this open. Of course, you can see it's got the Kellofaplan logo on the front. When you open it up, your item will be packed inside, also wrapped in paper or cellophane. And there's the back of the box. So this box would definitely be a great way to store your work planner. Let's go ahead and open this one up. I have what is being labeled as pink on the website. To me, I would say it's more of a coral. My mat is pink. I think this is a little more of a coral, but regardless, it is a beautiful color. You've got the Kellofaplan debossed logo on the back. It says work on the front, which is also debossed. And you can see that the cover has like a slight marbling. I'm not sure if that's coming across on camera. This is a soft book bound. It's very flexible, and this is a vegan leather. I would say this is a very high quality vegan leather. Let's go ahead and open it up and have a look in here. So right away when you open it up, you see the intro page says build a life you are proud to live. You've got this pretty little like a streaked watercolor design in here with black ink. This is an A5 planner. Before we get into it, let's measure this out. I don't normally use A5, so I thought we would have a look. So this is roughly 8.5 inches long by 6 inches wide. So that, I guess, is your classic A5 style. This is how it looks from the top. You can see we've got a little ribbon here for a bookmark. Now let's go ahead and have a more detailed look. So this does feature the 90-pound Kellofaplan paper that we all know and love. Up here it says you can find more product focused on improving your work-life balance at kellofaplan.com. Remember, this is an Amazon exclusive. You will not find this on the Kellofaplan website. So we've got our Kellofaplan logo here and all of her social media contact information. This is your year. You can put your name here. Planning a Life I Love 12-month work planner. Again, we've got the logo here. So we immediately go into a yearly overview, which has a blank box for each month of the year. So you might want to highlight maybe some of your special projects here that you know are going to be due annually, or if you have certain, annual deadlines or, different little things like that. You can use this however you want, of course. Over here, we've got a vacation and paid time off tracker, the week dates, hours worked, PTO used, PTO accrued, and the remaining balance. You've got that on the front and back. And then you've got important contacts here, name, email, phone number, and notes specific to that contact. You've got front and back on that one. And then we have a password tracker, website, email, password, and notes. 2 pages of that as well, since it's front and back. And then we're going to move into our monthly overview. So this little work planner, this A5 work planner, is modeled after or very similar to her disc-bound work planner. This is just more of a compact size, so if you don't need or require a disc-bound planner, this one is great for travel. Throw it in your backpack. It doesn't weigh a lot. So just some things to consider if you're on the fence about purchasing disc-bound versus this soft book-bound. Okay, so in the beginning of the month, we're going to have a monthly overview, a place to note important dates, monthly goals, top priorities. You've got a habit tracker here that goes Sunday through Saturday. So you can date this for the calendar for this particular month. And then you've got a note section down here. On the back of that, we do have a blank 2-page calendar, completely neutral. You can see there's nothing on here. We do have a sidebar where you can make additional notes here, but we don't have dots or any decor on the page other than the dot grid over here in the sidebar. Then you've got a blank note page on the back. This one is lined. It's not dotted lined. It's regular lined paper. And then we're going to get into those weekly pages. So the weekly pages are not dated. Instead, you would highlight your month and the range of dates that this page covers. So you've got Monday through Sunday here, room for top 3 this week, next week, and any notes. You're going to have 5 weeks worth of weekly plans. So this is week 2 and week 3, week 4 and week 5. And then at the end of the month, you will have a monthly recap for highlights, reflecting on those goals that you had set earlier. Next month, things you might be needing to prepare for, reminders, and another note section. And then we go straight into the next month. So in the disc-bound planners, you do have monthly dividers here. We don't have that in this one. Instead, we have this pretty little ribbon here where you can just mark your place. I love that. This is very low-key, great for work meetings. So these monthly pages are going to repeat for the 12 months of the year. Again, you'll have your overview, your 2-page monthly calendar, and then your 5 pages of weekly plans, followed by your monthly recap. So that is going to repeat for 12 months. Love that. And then in the back on that very last page, after your final monthly recap, you do just have a blank sheet of paper here that again is that patterned paper on the back, followed by those brush strokes. And then you've got your back cover that we saw earlier. So I think this is really great. I love the little addition of the little bookmark ribbon here. I think that's really nice to have. Again, like I said, this is an A5. We measured it out. It's 8.5 by 6. This is a soft book-bound, flexible vegan leather. You can use this in your backpack. If you carry a large tote, it will work well in there. It's not near as bulky as your disc-bound planner, but remember, this is an Amazon exclusive. This is the pink color. In my opinion, it's a little more of a coral, but that could just be because I've got it on a pink mat. It looks coral to me. This is also available in black and camel. Again, it does feature the 90-pound paper that we all know and love. So I will leave an affiliate link for you guys in my description box. This product is available now. The one that I link may or may not be the pink. It may be the black or it may be the camel, but all 3 options will be available once you link over to the Kellofaplan page. So if you guys are interested in picking up the work planner, please remember this again is an Amazon exclusive. It is available now. If you are not familiar with Kellofaplan's Amazon store, go ahead and have a look around while you're in there. I hope you'll bookmark my link and shop, through that link. But she does have some bundles available on there that and other little things that you may not have seen on her website. So yeah, guys, y'all go ahead and check it out. I appreciate y'all being here today. Remember, your work planner will ship in this nice white box here that is suitable to keep it safe so that it doesn't get scarred up or damaged in any way. Once you are finished using it, this will be really nice on your bookshelf. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed a quick look at the new Amazon exclusive work planner by Kellofaplan. I hope you'll check it out. I hope you'll shop through my link. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, I hope you'll go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You guys have a great day, a wonderful week, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.